Good morning. So I think it's about 5 o'clock now. We're going to do some paddling, but not our usual spot. We're actually going through to a friend's and paddling on the reserve. So I'll take you guys along, just because I'm nice like that.
King and I on our little heavy boat, just paddling along. Two normal wackos. She's not feeling very talkative this morning. Just check that out. There's a waterfall. It's looking good. Some fishing going on here. Wondering if you're catching anything. We're going to be extra loud and scare away the fish because we're nice like that. Save the environment, save the fish, save the dolphins, save everything. Just a small waterfall. Yeah, now. It even looks majestic. There's Mampara in.
And I'm back. Freshly showered, groomed, everything done and dusted. Plans for today is, this is Maurice and she's the cutest little parrot. See, she's got this nice little cage and hello, and her perch broke because I think there was termites in it or something. So now I need to replace it, so we're going to fix that. Found out today that concrete floors aren't good for ostrich legs, especially young ones when they're busy developing. So I need to make sure that this camp is not going to allow the ostriches to escape. That I need to fix up. Seems like there's just that one I need to pick up this plastic because they'll eat anything. So it seems like it's just the one hole. So I'm going to fix that up. I think I'm going to do this first, because I'm going to open them up now. And then remember this video. Ding. So in this video I built those little bombs as the alarm system, and I actually haven't installed them because I used fishing line in the video as a tripwire, and it was just too elastic, so when you walked against it, it just like kind of pulled. And now I bought fishing braid, and that's a lot more rigid, so when you walk it'll actually, when you kick it through, it won't just be elastic and do what elastic things do. Quite a hole there, but lately I've been learning a bit of magic, so I'm gonna fix it with a snap of my finger. That's how good I am. So ready? 1, 2, 3. What? Just look at this. Okay, it's not a permanent fix, but I mean, it just needs to stay here for like another month. Then these things are big enough to look after themselves. I mean, magic, guys. Like right. Wow, this is very handy. Let's see if the magic works on Maurice's cage as well. Hello, Maurice. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Okay, I'm going to try again. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And I think it's broken. Okay, wait. Third time's a charm. And it worked again. Just look at this though. She's got like a stick going over here. What? It's magic. It's great. So nice. Hello, Maurice. She's like, yep. Stel voor die camera. Was he assessing whether you're dangerous or not? And then she's like, yeah, I'm gonna move on. I mean, that was cool, huh? Wasn't that? Oh guys, I can't do this. I'm sorry, it was not magic. I know the audacity I have to make you guys believe that it is magic when in fact it isn't. What it is, however, is also starts with an M, and it's called manual labor. Gets the same job done, just takes a bit longer, and that is what it really was. So guys, stay away from magic. It's fake. Just work hard, play harder. Memories. pipe alarm systems are done. There we go, I just mounted them onto a piece of wood just to make it easier for myself. And oh, there's the trigger. This is a braid I'm going to use. Now it might not look like much, and you as a normal person might think it's a good idea to just go for a walk, but whoa, there it is, the line. If you follow the line, you will come to this little explosively rigged thingamabob. Of course, over here I've got it tied to that end. Now I'm not going to test it because it's just too much work to actually rig it up. I know it works on the previous, like I've tested 3 of them before, and all 3 of them have worked. One of them a little bit too well, so it's set like that. I'm going to dismantle it now, and I'm only going to like put it up at night when there isn't anybody or anything that's supposed to be moving up and down. Okay, so the chickens are put away, everything is settled. I've actually got finished up that other project I was telling you about. To give you guys a bit of background, my sister recently went to America to do like a gap year work on the summer camps and that. And that is, I'll show you guys this project tomorrow, and you can see why I decided to build it. But for now we're going to braai. There's braaier. So braaiing is a very crucial part of being a South African. It involves wood, meat, and usually quite a lot of alcohol. But I'm not that big of a drinker, so not that much alcohol. Anyway, so a couple of friends coming over, and we're going to braai, and it looks like it might start raining, so I'm going to get the fire going just in case. And I'll chat to you guys a little bit later, but for now it's family time, so catch you later. But I should first show you how I light the fire, of course. I mean, that's tradition. So this is what I'm making for my sister for Christmas. I still need to add a couple of more stars, so it's not get done, and then we're gonna sand it down and paint it. So I wanted to make a South African flag, actually, to be honest, because I love my country way more than I'd love America, although I'm not saying that it's not a great country. But the American flag is a bit easier to make than the South African flag, so next time I'll do the South African one. The gift that I was making is finished. I want to show it to you guys because I'm very chuffed with it. Now I know it might not be 100% correct, but check this out.